Hello everyone, this is Adnan and welcome to Chemistry with Adnan. On this YouTube channel, I'm covering the entire syllabus of IGCSE Cambridge Chemistry. The course code is 0620. If you belong to any other exam board, so I have also covered AQA, EdXL, or an OCR. So you can find the relevant playlist from the search menu. Okay, so if you need one-on-one tutoring lessons with me, you can fill out the Google form that is given in the description, and I will contact you. And you can also join my community on school.com with the name of High School Chemistry, which is free to join. You can join it for free, where I offer a free lesson once a month. You can ask me questions, you can interact with me, and yeah, you can participate in discussion forums. You can post questions in that community for free, and I also offer group lessons, which are very economical, just for 20 bucks, where I offer 4 lessons, in a month, once per week. So just for $20. So it is, like 4 lessons in $20. It is very economical, and there are notes, and there are other students you can interact with. So it's a fun place to be if you are excited about chemistry. So in this lesson, we are learning about 7.2, which is oxides, right? So the first topic, it says that what are oxides, and classify oxides as acidic, including SO2 and CO2, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, or basic, including copper oxide and calcium oxide, related to metallic and non-metallic character. Okay, so this is a very simple topic, 7.2. All you need to remember is that if it's a non-metal oxide, right, non-metal oxide, so it will have an acidic nature, right? This is for core students, and acidic nature. And if it's a metal oxide, right, so it will have a basic nature, right? So it will be a base. So this is what you need to understand, right? So let me give you an example. For acidic oxides, the non-metal oxides, when they're dissolved in water, they change into acids. So SO2 plus H2O, that's going to give us H2SO3, which is called sulfurous acid, right? And yeah, so, and now let's take a look at the example of metal oxide. So calcium oxide, for example, when it is dissolved in water, it produces calcium hydroxide, and we know that metal hydroxides, they are alkalis, or basic. They have a basic nature, right? So the pH of the solution will be greater than 7, and the pH of this solution, it will be less than 7, making it acidic. So I hope this is clear. You see, sulfur and carbon, they are non-metals, and that's why they are acidic oxides. And copper and calcium, they are metals, and they are basic oxides. So this is all that you need to know in this one. And the rest of the topics, they are for supplement, for extended syllabus. So topic number 2, it says that describe amphoteric oxides as oxides that react with acids and with bases to produce a salt and water, right? So yeah, so amphoteric oxides are oxides that react with acids and bases to produce a salt and water. They have a dual nature. They have a dual properties, right? So amphoteric substances can act as an acid and a base. So you just have to remember this, right? So they have a dual nature. So aluminum oxide, it can behave both as an acid, right? And it can also behave as a base. And similarly, zinc oxide here, uh, zinc oxide, it can also behave as an acid, and it can also behave as a base, right? So when something has a dual nature, so they are called amphoteric oxides. So I hope this is clear. Yeah, this will be all for today. In our upcoming video, we will see some of the past paper questions, including related to 7.2 oxides. So yeah, this was a short lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a good day.